This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. Thanks for checking out our preview of what's to come for 2026. We want to start by telling all of you how much we appreciate your support, not only of this channel, but also our online school. Whether you're a paid student or a subscriber here, we thank you all for your support, which makes this channel possible. This year is going to be filled with lots of great lessons, and we have a highlight of what's coming your way. Over at CakeDecoratingSchool.com, we have a fantastic lineup of new lessons coming your way, including a new certificate on the basics of piped flowers and 12 fun new project cakes, one dropping each month. This year's certificate focuses on flowers. We're building on what you learned in the basic certificate to give you a more in-depth foundation for piped flowers. We cover 4 basic petal types with variations for each to help you achieve a more natural look and feel. We've got segments on foliage with 3 types of leaves, also covering things like stems and sepals, along with creating buds and half blossoms to help you fill out your designs. We're going to teach you 3 arrangement styles, mass, crescent, and cascade, and show you how to build each kind. Like always, there's a quiz to help you test your knowledge before you print your certificate of completion. We have an awesome lineup for our project cakes this year, including some classic skills and styles, plus some featuring popular trends. All of them are focused on helping you to build and reinforce skills from our certificates, along with adding some new ones to your toolkit. These project cakes all feature helpful information sheets with lots of detail to help you get started, gather the tools you'll need, plus color recipes. You'll find templates and practice sheets when needed to help you craft your designs. First up, we have our Wavy line rainbow cake. Taking a recent trend and adding our own twist to create a fun rainbow look, we cover how to stripe your bag to get this awesome pastel rainbow design. For February, we have a heart-shaped rose cake, modifying our rose technique so we can pipe it to cover the whole top of the cake with an ombre blossom. For March, we're making a sweet fairy home. A printable template makes the door easy to pipe, and we pair it with a few easy techniques to finish the whole adorable look with vines and flowers. Next, we'll break out the palette knives to make tulips for April. We make sculpted petals and peaches and pinks to create flowers with lots of depth and detail. For May, we have a sweet strawberry design where we combine a few piped details with leaves and small flowers to finish off our berries that we create using just a few easy swipes of a palette knife. June brings a simple design that uses color and texture, along with some simple piped blossoms to create the look of a beautiful field of flowers. We wanted a fun summer feel for July, so we created this easy piped mermaid tail. Use the provided template to help guide your piping and create this easy, bright, and bold mermaid design. For August, we have some shocking bright colors to help mix things up. We used striped bags and a multi-border design to craft our Electric Vibes cake. Chaos violets are up for September. Chaos cakes have been big this past year, and we'll help you put just enough order in your design to achieve that perfectly imperfect look. We use piped violets rather than edible blooms, so you don't have to worry about finding flowers that are safe to eat. We wanted something with just a bit of a decaying vibe for October, so we went with this Lambeth design featuring muted colors, rosette swags, and lots of ruffles for a Gothic Victorian vibe. Simple scrolls are a recipe for classic elegance in November. We'll tackle a new scroll pattern in a soft tone-on-tone color palette that makes it perfect for holiday celebrations, weddings, or anniversaries. For December, we have a fun, festive mound tree that will get you in a cheerful mood. With a template to help you carve your cake with ease, we use just 2 simple techniques to create this wonderful festive holiday cake. Your yearly membership comes with our new content, plus our past content as well. And that includes past certificate courses, years of project cakes, and live courses, along with bonuses like templates from our Practice With Me series, making it an awesome value. All of our lessons are self-guided, so you can stream as you please and go at your own pace. We recommend all of our new students start with the beginner certificate course. This is where we cover the basics of cake decorating, like filling and frosting your cake. You'll also find our buttercream recipe. It includes basic techniques, borders, and an intro into piped flowers, with project cakes to help you practice your newly learned skills, and a quick quiz to test your knowledge. It's a comprehensive start that will prepare you to tackle all of our fun project cakes or move on to our intermediate certificate, which includes sections on more advanced techniques like Cornelli lace and scrolls, along with using fillings in your cakes. Here on our YouTube channel, we have plenty of great videos in store for you, from new installments from some of your favorite series to new fresh ideas that we have lined up for a fun mix. We've got more flower series videos with both piped blooms on your nail and flat piped florals, plus more practice and reinforcement for those flowers with projects that include flower cupcake sets, 3D and wreath flower cakes. We've got some simple palette knife flower cakes in store, along with some technique-focused videos where we teach classic styles and lessons on perfecting different types of borders. We'll have new installments in our easy sheet cake design series. And you can look forward to some fun holiday and seasonal content as well, both cakes and cupcake lessons. Plus, we have more installments in our Practice With Me series with printable templates to help you follow along. That's all for our preview of things to come for 2026. Thank you again for all your support, and head over to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information on yearly membership and everything it includes.